Very warm welcome in the field of excavators, large size and latest functions. You can see the caterpillars, some komatsus and some kobalcos as well. Beautiful view inside.
2038番こちらは出品取り消しです。リスタート。見切りです。
From the backside views, the different model you can see on the screen.
リスタート。
Komatsu PC1020 PC200 Komatsu. And you can see this Komatsu as well. Hitachi. This is PC180S. And see, this is the ZX200 Komatsu PC138. Yes. Here's the caterpillars, cats. Comparatively good conditions. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us if you need anything from Japan. Thank you very much and have a nice day.